Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the gear so the fix is fast. Put both AirPods in the case, close the lid for 30 seconds, then open and hold the setup button until the LED flashes amber then white. This resets pairing data. Once done, on your iPhone go to Settings Bluetooth, tap the information icon and forget this device, then toggle Bluetooth off and on. This ensures a clean connection and clears corrupt profiles that often break noise cancellation. Now you reconnect and restore features. Place the case near your iPhone, open the lid, and follow the on-screen pairing animation. This re-establishes the audio route. Make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS and leave the AirPods connected near the phone overnight to auto-update firmware. Updates fix ANC algorithms. Then check Control Center or Accessibility to enable active noise cancellation. You should hear immediate reduction in ambient noise because firmware and fresh pairing align DSP settings. Finish by calibrating and verifying performance. Play a consistent low-frequency test track at around 60% volume while wearing the AirPods. This helps the microphones and DSP settle to your ears. Once calibrated, move through quiet and noisy environments and toggle transparency to confirm ANC engages and isolates low-end hums. If you still notice hiss, imbalance, or dropout, make sure vents are clean. If problems persist, contact Apple support for diagnostics or replacement because hardware mic failure requires service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.